In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to Squarespace in 2025. We'll walk through where to place your keywords in Squarespace so search engines can better understand your pages, and I'll add simple tips to make each field work harder for your SEO. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace. Head to the official site and click Login. Sign in with your account, then choose the website you want to optimize from your dashboard. Select Go to Website so you're looking at that site's editor. On the left sidebar, click Website to open your main site controls, then choose Pages. Find the page you want to optimize, hover over it, and open its settings. In the Settings panel, go to the SEO section. This is where you'll add your keywords in a way that's friendly to both search engines and visitors. First, look at the SEO title field. This is what often appears as the clickable headline in search results. Include your primary keyword or key phrase near the beginning and keep it clear and human-friendly. If it fits, you can add your brand or location at the end. Aim for something concise so it won't get cut off in search results. Next, move to the SEO description. This is your short pitch in search, so write a natural 1 to 2 sentence summary that uses your main keyword and a related variation or two. Keep it readable and helpful, describing what a visitor will find on the page. Avoid stuffing, instead weave your phrases into real sentences. If you prefer to list short keyword phrases, separate them with punctuation, periods, or commas, so each phrase is clearly distinguished and the text stays tidy. A few quick tips as you write. Think like your ideal visitor and the exact words they would type to find this page. Include specifics like product type, service category, or city. When relevant, keep your title tight and compelling, and make the description informative enough to earn the click. If you update a page's content or focus later, revisit this SEO section to keep your title and description aligned with the page. That's the workflow. Open Squarespace, log in, pick your site, head into Website and Pages, open the page settings, and use the SEO panel to refine your title and description with the right keywords. Once your copy reads naturally, you're set. Repeat the same process for your other important pages to build consistent keyword-aware metadata across your site.